Hi everyone, today I would be showing you the JavaFX inventory management system that we built into the replace the spreadsheet for a small manufacturer. It follows the MVC with repositories, a service layer, and GUI dependency injection. So the UI stays clean and business logic lives in a single service. So when the app starts, it gives us request for username and password. So let me go ahead and write it in. So as you can see, this is the dashboard. We land on the login screen, which is been done with password and login. So after logging in, the dashboard shows the two tables side by side, parts and products. These tables are wired in main controller with property value factory and which builds into the JavaFX properties on the models. Above each table is a search box, as you can see. Uh, if I type here frame and hit the search button, the main controller checks for the if it's an ID, then falls back into the inventory service dot search by part by name, and then updates the table with matches. The add, modify, and delete buttons simply call methods on the navigator and open the appropriate forms, while delete always shows a confirmation alert. And exit closes the app via the navigator. So let's go and click on the add part button. So as you can see, I can add a part, and it also has two options for the ID, which are in-house and outsourced, and it is a reader only. The radio buttons select in-house or outsourced. The label next to the last field toggles between machine ID and company name are in the update company machine field on save, and part controller presses the number, validates them, and calls either add in-house part or add outsource part. Those services method enforce min, max, and inventory limits before persisting to the repository. Cancel again, ask for confirmation. As you can see. So now in the product form, let us go into the products. We see the same audio generated ID with along with the name, inventory, price, minimum, maximum field. The controller preloads available parts in one table and keeps the chosen associate parts in another. I can select part and click add part as well. Similarly, I can also do add part to associate with it, or also remove it with delete part each action. Uses observable list for inventory service dot validate associate box, which throws the controller shows an alert if I price the product below with the cost. In the main screen also checks this if the product has the if the product has the specific error with regards to the price. The delete product in the main screen also checks this int if the product still has parts. Inventory service dot delete product refuses when we show unable to delete alert. Under the hood, the models, part, in-house, and outsource and product all use the JavaFX properties, so the tables stay in sync. Repositories like part repository, product repository, wrapped observable list, and expose crude search methods. Inventory service is the great keeper. It enforces the every business rule from the requirements. We wire everything together through GUI in inventory model, so controllers just declare the dependencies they need. Search Scene Navigator and View Loader provide a single place to switch scenes and let the GUI build controllers keep UI code slim. So in a few clicks, I can search, add, modify, delete parts or products with all the inventory rules enforced, while the code stays modular thanks to MVC repositories and GUI. That's a full walkthrough of the inventory management system. Thank you.